Liz and I bought a 49 unit out in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I was like, oh, we're going to have to start our own property management company out here in Lancaster. She says, why don't you try a third-party property management company? And if it doesn't work, you can always fire them, and we can parachute into ROSA management from there. And then we hired a third-party property management company, and they did a good job. And I was like,
How about that?
Probably when the first light bulb went off, that I didn't either have to control the entire own the entire process for the business to go well. I could outsource parts of the process and then hold that company or that person accountable, instead of me doing it myself, with them doing that, what it would take for me to scale up. And that's when new markets started to come up. And that's when expansion started to come up, focused on attracting more money to the company. Oh, and the next deal we did, I raised 3.2 because I was able to focus on investor relations, investor attraction, and investor management. We raised 3.2 on the next deal because of that 8% PM fee I was paying those guys out in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Because of that enabled me to 3x my raise capacity.